video, we'll see that how one can choose the right optional for UPSC. See, there are certain questions, and it is actually one of the most confusing tasks for any UPSC aspirant कि क्या होना चाहिए. So it actually, why it is so important, because mostly now these days, now these years, if we analyze, see, essay and optional actually makes all the differences in the marks, and it actually plays a key role in selection and also the rank and service allocation. Talking about certain myths and propagandas, कि optional should be opted, that is taken by everyone. Optional having small syllabus like anthropology, sociology should be opted. Optional which is actually very trendy should be opted. Optional which has got the maximum selection last year should be opted, and toppers like scoring the highest possible marks. So these are actually the myths and propagandas which should actually be avoided. ऐसा like मैं समझती हूँ, and these optionals should not be opted either, like because of those propagandas. See, I have experience of 4 years in UPSC, so itna I can suggest and help you out that these are the certain questions which you should ask yourself before picking up or choosing the right optional. That is, starting from the first question, am I finding this subject interesting or not? Can I study this subject for 2 to 3 years? Because you never know in which year you will crack UPSC. Are there good enough resources available in the market or not? Is the coaching possible or available or not in that particular subject? Are the teachers like good enough or not? Are the online offline sources enough? Can this optional be prepared at home? Because it is not possible for everyone to move to Delhi or Karol Bagh and prepare. How it can integrate or help in the GS preparation. For example, subjects like sociology, anthropology, it is helping you out in GS some or the other way. And certain subjects are there like mathematics, physics, which have no link to GS preparation, but still students opt for it. So I'll move further to that question. That is how to approach. See, first of all, when you have prepared a total, like you have selected 2 to 3 subjects, say, so first of all, check the syllabus. Just see how much comfortable you are and then go for it. Still like you are confused, so solve and analyze the previous year UPSC questions. देखो उसको कि क्या क्वेश्चन में पूछा गया है, आप कितना उसको आंसर दे पा रहे हैं, what are the model answers, and compare your answers with the previous year questions. You will get a analysis कि आप कहाँ stand करते हैं उसमें. See, some people or aspirants, I say that they opt for graduation subject, but only like if you're comfortable with the UPSC syllabus, because कहीं ना कहीं UPSC syllabus and graduation थोड़ा सा slightly different होता है, because UPSC syllabus doesn't talk or like in depth में पूरा, but graduation, post graduation, they're totally in depth. ठीक है, so if you are in love with your graduation subject, and even if it has few takers, so it is better to opt for it because you might have less competition. So you should choose an integrated subject which is actually helping you out in your GS preparation, and then you should read some standard books, especially like NCERTs. And in case you are like you don't get an analysis or you don't enjoy, then reject it. For example, if I consider my example, so my graduation is in mathematics from Hindu College, and पहले मैंने like उसी से पढ़ा था UPSC का पूरा अच्छे से हो गया था, but like I couldn't clear UPSC, I couldn't crack it, so मैंने sociology opt किया है. तो sociology is a very interesting subject, though I do not belong from an arts background, I belong from a science background in my graduation, but sociology कहीं ना कहीं मेरे को बहुत help कर रही है in GS also, in understanding the newspaper also. I'm getting an analysis, I'm writing better answers. So ऐसा होना चाहिए आपका subject. So ज़रूरी नहीं है that you opt for graduation subject only. You can select any subject which is actually suiting your interest. Okay, thank you, and I hope this video helped you out in certain way. And also, for if you want free resources, material or anything, you can join me on Telegram, that is LearnUp. Link is in the description. And also on Insta, I will be uploading material and also certain videos related to the UPSC exam and other government exams, that is at the rate of learnup.upsc. Link is in the description, so kindly follow that and also subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.